Hi everyone, this is Masa, California. I'm in the Upland Skate Park. I want to show you city of Upland that did unskateable condition on the concrete surface in the pipe area. Uh, this is the first location. So can you see this hole? This hole, and then this is the second one. Okay, this hole, and third one will be here, this location. Okay, it's close to the end of the pipe, this location as a whole, at the missing part. And then here, this location, the first part of the pipe here, and this part. Okay, that's all west side of the pipe. Okay, I'm gonna show you the east side of the pipe. Okay, from the beginning of the pipe. Okay, this section is really rough. Then above that section, the part is really rough also. So in this long section, that rough also. And then so the old joints are missing joint, yeah, it's almost missing the joint. Okay, those were the concrete damage from pressure wash for sure. City have no plan to fix those damage before Go Skate Day event this Friday, June 21st. So I refuse to let a demo skater to demo for Go Skate Day in Upland Skate Park because of this damage. So city made it, but they don't have a plan to fix it. So that's unacceptable answer for help to city Upland for Go Skate Day. So I won't be here that day. So the demo skater won't be here that day. Sorry for that, but that's for a safety issue. So I don't want any skater to get injured in this location. So okay, that's what I want you to know, the Upland Skate Park current issue. Okay, please understand. Thank you. And then so I won't be skate here until they fix. So I'm gonna go to somewhere else to skate in Inland Empire. So I will let you know where we're gonna skate from next Wednesday. So stay tuned. Bye.